paid for this ለዚህ ዋጋ ሳወጣ ይሄንን ማርከር መጠቀም ስለፈለኩ ነው። but you guys you are paying your attention for something you are not paid for. አብዛኛው ሰው ሳይከፈለው ነው አቴንሽኑን እየሰጠ ያለው። for those digital consumers digitally ራሳቸውን ለሚሸጡ ሰዎች it can be artists ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ዶክተርስ ሊሆን ይችላሉ፣ ኢንጂነርስ ሊሆን ይችላሉ፣ ምንም ሊሆን ይችላል። they can be politicians and they can be activists, they can be anyone. They are consuming your attention which they are not paying for you. ለናንተ ምንም ሳይከፍሏችሁ አቴንሽናችሁን እየተጠቀሙ ነው። አትሊስት ይሄንን ስገዛኔ ለነጋዴው ከፍያለሁ and I'm going to use this one for my own purpose. Attention it's a commodity now, it's a product now. Don't sell your attention without any fee. It's because now currently we are in the attention economy. Attention economy ውስጥ ነው ያለነው። Attention is just like it's a product and it's a service. It can be traded. ይገዛል ይሸጣል። So digital economy ላይ ወይም ይሄ digital ሚዲያው ላይ attention it is just like a product. የምትገዙትና የምትሸጡት ነገር ነው። It's not something that you give it for free ማለት በነፃ የምታዩት ያንድን ሰው ኮንተንት ዝም ብለ ቁጭ ብለ ኮንሱም የምታደርጉበት ምክንያት የለም። there is no any reason. So how much do you care about your attention? ስለ አቴንሽናችሁ ምን ያህል ኬር ታረጋላችሁ? or simply you are giving it for free ማለት ነው። በነፃ ነው የምትሰጡት ወይ ለsomebody else? and it's highly consuming your time. ጊዜያችሁን፣ ጉልበታችሁን፣ ኢፈርታችሁን and everything. It's consuming your life after all. So like other digital coins ማለት ነው እንደ ቢትኮይን ምናምን attention will be traded now in the future. attention ነው ትሬድ የሚደረገው in the digital system. So it's like it's one of a financial strategy that people are using it. ራሳቸውን ዲጂታሊ የዲጂታል ሲስተሙ ላይ ብራንዳቸውን ከፍ ለማድረግ የሚጠቀሙበት and exchange mechanism. It's through attention. So don't use your attention properly. Anyways, I'm Melissa Mogose again. Thank you so much.